Good afternoon. It is actually sad afternoon. First and foremost, let me send my heartfelt condolences to all Sudanese citizens across the world. And let me send heartfelt condolences to our families in Darfur, especially in Al-Fashir. And let me not forget to send my condolences to the people in Al-Bara. To the conscience of the world, to the United Nations, to the Security Council, to the International Criminal Court, to the African Union, and to all people who believe in humanity. I stand before you not just as one voice, but as voice for the thousands who have been silenced, and for the millions trapped in the nightmare of unescapable cruelty. I am Sudanese citizen, and I am here to speak for Al-Fashir and for Sudan and for Bara and for across the globe who have ever been tortured in this world. What has happened in Al-Fashir is not merely a battle. What has happened unleashed upon the people of northern Darfur is not simply war. It is calculated, documented, and proudly advertised genocide. It is the final, furious chapter of campaign of ethnic cleansing designed to exterminate the Black African tribes of Sudan. We have all witnessed between 26th and 27th of October 2025, the world witnessed in the real time a horror that should have shaken it to its core. The Rapid Support Forces militia, allied with the Stasi's forces, descended upon a city that had been already under the siege for almost 3 years, serving on its people on the 3 leaves. In 2 days, they slaughtered more than 2,000 innocent, unarmed, defenseless civilians, women, children, and elderly. No one is spared. But the world has chosen to be deaf. The world media has chosen to be mute. We have seen the